So here we got our 2 new gaskets. So now we're going to install this one and that one right there, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we got all of our gaskets installed here. We made sure that they're nice and pressed down. I like to flip these over and just give them a good push down just to make sure they're all sitting in there nice, and they are. Okay, so now we're going to set this on top of the oil cooler. Okay, so with it sitting on top of the oil cooler, we can start putting our bolts in, but we still have this guy, so we have an O-ring that we need to take care of on this, or not an O-ring, but we need to clean this up real quick. And we also have the top side of it right here that we need to put a new O-ring in as well. So now that we got that cleaned up and put back on there, we got a new O-ring in here. We can now put this up on top, and now we can put all our bolts in and torque it down. So let's do that. Now it's all bolted and torqued down. Follow the manufacturer's recommended torque specs. There's also 2 O-rings up here that or a O-ring, well, 2 that we're going to replace. One is right here where the oil filter housing actually sits, and this other one is where the standpipe for the oil filter